your Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Chicago Wendler.
Tracking a cold front for the weekend, plus that chance of a couple of stronger storms. Here's a look at your Saturday forecast. So far today, we've actually seen our first measurable rain since March 1st, and that has held temperatures down. As of just before lunchtime, 69 degrees your temperature, and I've actually lowered our high from the low 80s into the upper 70s as a result of the fact that we've had the lingering drizzle around. Still warm and muggy this Saturday. Cold front coming in tonight. We spring forward those clocks 1 hour starting at 2 a.m. as daylight saving time begins, and then for your Sunday, breezy, low humidity with sunshine developing. So for the rest of the day, we may just only manage mid to upper 70s. The drizzle and showers fading out will turn mostly cloudy with southeast winds 10 to 20 miles per hour. Tomorrow, don't forget to set your clocks forward. Daylight saving time beginning, sunrise is at 7:41, sunset is at 7:39. Meantime, rainfall totals actually the best we've seen all month. Some areas picking up anywhere from a tenth of an inch to even 15 hundredths of an inch. We will take it. And we're not totally done with the patchy drizzle and spotty showers. Those are continuing, so keep in mind it may be a bit of a soggy afternoon. Temperatures warmest where it is driest. Out in LaGrange, we're up to 75, 74 degrees. In Austin, as mentioned, 69. Out at the airport, 71. Breezy conditions, south-southeast winds, sustained 10 to 15, some gusts in that 20 mile per hour range. And all of this is to say, yes, the muggy air is here. Dew points in the mid 60s. That is air you can wear. Farther north, stormy conditions. The stage is set for what could be a tornado outbreak across the eastern Texas panhandle. Farther north, snow continuing to fly across portions of the Rockies. Denver area could be bracing for 1 to 2 feet of snow. Some of the highest elevations in the Rockies could see 3+, maybe even 4 feet of snow. Upper level area of low pressure pushing its way into the Four Corners. By the way, it's going to be so far removed from our area, I doubt we'll see anything severe, to be quite honest with you. Storm reports for the last 24 hours. There were 3 tornadoes reported yesterday in and around the Lubbock area. And as we continue through this afternoon and evening, the likelihood of seeing some additional severe thunderstorms is quite high. This is the first moderate risk to be issued in the entire 2021 year so far. That's going to be for areas just east of Amarillo through places like Pampa as well as Childress. Enhanced risk, that's in the orange, a slightly lower risk, but still quite possible there could be tornadoes and large hail. Then as you get toward the yellow, a little closer to us, that is a slight risk, and Mason County in a marginal lowest risk. When we talk about tornado threat, this is extremely alarming. A 15% risk of strong tornadoes this afternoon and evening in the eastern Texas panhandle. Fortunately for central Texas, we are so far removed from all of those ingredients, and we will see very little in the way of instability by the time the cold front gets here overnight. So frankly, we probably won't even see storms. There's a small chance of seeing an isolated rumble of thunder for Austin points west in the hill country. The only areas under that isolated severe thunderstorm threat, and even that's pushing it, would be Mason County, far northwest Llano, and far northwest Gillespie County. I'll show you that hour by hour progression so you can see why I'm actually not concerned whatsoever. Around midnight tonight, we see the cold front start to press its way toward our area. Just some scattered showers. Most of the juice, the energy, the instability will fizzle before it reaches our area. Cold front by about 3 a.m. across Highway 281, burn it down toward Blanco, making its way toward the Austin area around 5 a.m. Just some scattered showers, probably not even storms at this point. And then the continuation of that front is we head toward 7, 8 a.m., we'll see it push toward Giddings and then move through LaGrange. And then by afternoon, we see clearing skies and warming temps. It's going to be windy for your afternoon on Sunday, temps bumping back into the 70s and elevated fire danger expected. Then overnight Sunday into early Monday, clear skies, diminishing winds, chilly temperatures. There might be some upper 30s in some spots. I'm forecasting 49 to start off your Monday in Austin. Possible rainfall, these totals keep on dropping. I'm going to go ahead and say there may be an isolated pocket of 1/4 to 1/2 of an inch, but most areas will see far less and potentially much less, as you can see from that latest computer model. So putting it all together for you. Saturday's temperatures are going to struggle just because of the drizzle that we have seen. Mid, maybe upper 70s. I have downgraded that forecast, cooling it a little bit. Sunday, showers early, no longer looking like storm activity is likely, 77 degrees. Here's your Sunday planner. By the time you wake up in the morning around 8 a.m. after the time change, 55 and clouds. 65 by lunchtime, high temperature right around 77 or so. Right now, looking like about 75 degrees at 4 p.m. With the time shift, typically our highs have been in around the 3 o'clock hour, but now that it's a little bit later, we'll start to see those high temperatures a little bit later each day. Next 5 days, here's what to expect. We could see the warmest of the season by Monday and Tuesday. Tuesday, if we hit 87, that would be the warmest so far in 2021. Not only dealing with the rain chances overnight tonight and into early tomorrow morning, but also early St. Patrick's Day. Another weather maker could bring us a few scattered showers and isolated storms. In terms of temperatures for the outlook, March 21st through 27th, near normal for Austin. Precip also going to be near normal for Austin, a little bit drier than normal for areas out west into the hill country. So here is your 7-day forecast as we get ready for the time change at 2 a.m. Cold front comes through tonight. It looks less and less likely to probably even bring rumbles of thunder. Can't rule out 1 or 2 though, but overall rainfall totals looking diminished. Instability looking lower and probably not going to be a big deal at all. Sunshine on Monday, 86. Partly cloudy on Tuesday, 87. Next cold front early St. Patrick's Day, right around 80 degrees, and then slightly cooler, turning less humid again as we round out the latter half of your week on Thursday and Friday. All right, that is it for me. Greg Pollock is filling in from our station down in San Antonio. He will be with you on CBS Austin News tonight. Take care.